Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to record your screen on the Motorola Moto E14. So swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick setting panel. Look for the screen record icon. If you don't see it immediately, swipe to left and here it is, screen record. If it's still not there, tap on the pencil icon to edit your quick settings and from the list of available tools, find screen record and drag it into your active setting panel. Once it's added, you will be able to access it quickly anytime you need it. So now tap on screen record and a small setting window will appear. If you tap on this small arrow, you will see audio options. Device audio, this records only the sounds that came from your phone, such as music, videos or game audio. Microphone, this records only your voice or sounds around you through the phone's microphone. Device audio and microphone, this records both your phone's internal sounds and your voice at the same time. This option is great if you want to comment while showing something on your screen. You can also enable show touches on the screen. This makes every tab visible with a small dot. This is perfect for tutorials and so on. Once you've chosen your preferences, tap to Start button. Now use your phone as normal. Everything you do on the screen will be recorded. When you finish, swipe down from the top again and there is this big red banner with the stop button. So tap on stop and your screen recording will be automatically saved in the gallery app. This is our recording. And that's it. Now you know how to record your screen on the Motorola Moto E14. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Bye.